Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving back into the world of IoT, or the Internet of Things, to clear up some of the most common myths. As always, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. One of the biggest misconceptions is that IoT is complicated and only for tech experts. But here's the truth. IoT is for everyone. Devices today are designed to be intuitive and easy to use. Think of your smart home devices, like thermostats you control with your phone or wearables that track your health. Businesses are also embracing IoT without needing an IT degree. Tools like inventory trackers or smart point-of-sale systems are plug-and-play, proving IoT isn't as complex as it seems. Not to mention, most of your everyday devices are already smart. Your phone, for example, connects to a number of devices, from speakers to fitness trackers, which makes it a hub for IoT. That brings us to our next myth, that IoT is only for high-tech devices. Many people assume IoT is only for cutting-edge technology, like AI robots or advanced factory systems. But IoT is all around us in everyday devices. Think about voice assistants like Alexa or Google Home, your smart fridge, or even connected pet collars that track your pet's location. These are practical, accessible tools that make life easier, which is what IoT is, the foundation for everyday convenience. Another myth? That IoT is only for companies with big budgets. Sure, when IoT first hit the market, it was pricey. But technology has come a long way. IoT devices are now affordable and scalable. Small businesses, like coffee shops, can use IoT to track inventory or energy consumption, saving money in the long run. Farmers are using IoT sensors to monitor soil conditions and boost crop yields without breaking the bank. It's a smart investment that often pays for itself. Yes, IoT security is important, and yes, it's true that any connected device could be a target. But this doesn't mean IoT is inherently unsafe. Devices today come with encryption, and updates are constantly rolling out to patch vulnerabilities. It's also up to you to protect your devices, for example. Secure your Wi-Fi, use strong passwords, and keep firmware updated. IoT isn't a security risk if you take proper precautions, and manufacturers are making it easier to stay safe. If you want more security tips, be sure to watch our video on securing your smart devices. Here's the thing, IoT is not going away. By 2030, it's estimated there will be over 25 billion IoT-connected devices. Why? Because it works. It makes life and business more efficient, safer, and better connected. Whether it's remote health monitoring, smart manufacturing, or personalized retail experiences, IoT is shaping the future, and the numbers prove it. It's here to stay. So, now you know, IoT is for everyone. It's not outrageously expensive, it's secure if you're smart about it, and it's here to stay. Whether you're a business owner looking for ways to save costs or someone who loves the convenience of smart gadgets, IoT has something for you. What do you think about IoT? Were you surprised by any of these myths? Let us know in the comments. And if you're ready to explore how IoT can help you, head to our website for more resources and solutions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.